Welcome friends, this is my YouTube channel. You can easily see the account in the name of my wife. I want to show you this is my today's earning. I have booked my profit. My entry 3320 HDFC 1182. I just increase my light. You can easily see that total earning 5092. I want to show you what is the profit and loss during the month. This is profit and loss. I want to show you for the month, this September 3 to September 22. Yes, just build up 65k, 65,000 I have already earned, and today's earning is 5,000. That means 70,000 I have already earned during the month. I have 10 days in my hand. I think that is enough to earn 30,000 remaining 10 days. If I earn 30,000, I will cover my target. My target is 1 lakh rupees in the month, maybe cover. I don't know it will be or not, because this is share market. Anything could be happen anytime. Just I want to show you BPCL. I have already booked 32,927, and another is Infosys 32,576. Total 65.5k, and today's earning you can see easily 5,000 I have earned today. My monthly target 50,000 has already crossed. This is my holding. I've already booked this stock. You can easily see this fundamental. This is event. $23 and 35, total 58 rupees I have already earned from dividend. That means 30,000, 29,700 and 65,000. Already I have earned 95,000 for this month, and already 10 days remaining. I hope I will earn 30,000 in 10 days, average 3,000 per day. I made this video for them, those not realize to know the share market. They think the share market is one type of gambling. Not. I don't believe it. I am trading previous 5 years. I realize this is a money making market. If you invest your capital, you can earn easily money. I have invested 16 lakh. That is bank interest is, if I got 6,600 per lakh, more than 9,000, 10,000, 15,000 I can earn from bank interest. But I have earned 95,000 in a month. That is more than 10 times multiple. Those are thinking this is gambling. Not. If you read properly, if you know it properly, you can earn from this market easily. Actually, this is money making market. Otherwise, everyone has love of rupees money. Why I have invested 18 lakhs in share market? I realize, I have confidence, I can earn better than bank interest, better than bank FD. And I have already shown you, I have already earned 95,000 in a month. instead of 15,000 of bank interest. If I got bank interest 15,000, that is 95,000, almost 6 times above. That means I have earned already 6 month earning from my bank interest. This is my principle. This is my reality. This is my aim to show you my YouTube channel, my profit and loss statement. Otherwise, I want to show you I am a big man, I am a big bull. Nothing. I have no interest about it. But I want to realize them. Those think this is gambling, not gambling. This is a money making market. If you have patience, if you have discipline, if you have perfect strategy, you can earn from here. Okay, thank you.